Welcome to Dream in Colors.
E for elephant, big and strong, swings his trunk and sings along. Stomp, stomp, stomp with giant feet, dances to a jungle beat. E for elephant, ears so wide, rides the river like a slide. Splish, splash, fun in the sun, elephant games are number one. E for elephant, gentle and sweet, loves juicy fruits as a yummy treat. Banana, berries, sugar cane too. Crunch, munch, chew, chew, chew. Oh, the elephant is happy and slow, watching all the jungle grow. Big and strong, but gentle too.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, friends.